Today I'm sharing what I honestly call a magical elixir for your vegetable garden. This simple homemade mix can cause explosive growth, strengthen plants, and help fight diseases and insects naturally. Within just a few days, the difference was impossible to ignore. The treated plants were healthier, greener, and growing faster. I love experimenting in the garden. I take notes, test recipes on a few plants first, and only share what truly works. Now let me tell you what's in this powerful elixir. You only need 3 simple ingredients: milk, liquid soap, and turmeric powder. Turmeric is the real workhorse here. It's a natural fungicide, helps prevent root rot, damping off, and powdery mildew. Its strong aroma repels insects like aphids, ants, and whiteflies. It also kills harmful bacteria and pathogens in the soil while boosting plant immunity. Milk acts as a mild fertilizer and antifungal, and liquid soap helps the mixture spread and stick. Foliar spray. Recipe: 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 cup milk, 1 teaspoon liquid soap, 1 liter lukewarm water. Mix well and spray both sides of the leaves early morning every 7 to 10 days. Soil drench. Now use the same mix but dilute it into more 1 liter of water. Apply about 1/2 to 1 cup around the base of each plant. This elixir is safe for humans, pets, and pollinators, and it breaks down naturally in the soil. Try it once and watch your garden take off. Thanks for watching.